Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the OGX, also known as Organics Moroccan Argan Oil. As you can see, this thing has definitely been used for a while, and I wanted to do a little bit of a small review, before it runs out. So, I spend a lot of time in the sun, and I spend a lot of time in the water, whether it's pools, in the ocean, whatever. And I also have long hair for a guy, so I needed something. I felt like my hair was getting dried out a lot, but I didn't want to cut it off, and so I needed something that could keep it healthy and looking good, as many things that I put it through. And my girlfriend actually introduced me to this, and I really, really like it. Heard a lot of good things about it. Just argan oil and Moroccan oil in general. And so far it's been really, really awesome. And I use it quite a bit. So yeah, let's talk about the design a little bit first. It's a 4-ounce bottle, so it's fairly small, fits kind of in the palm of your hand. But the cool thing is you really only ever use it in small amounts, so it does last for quite a while, and you're not going to be using this. I guess you could. I don't use it every day. I use it maybe every couple of days. But yeah, so it's not going to be something that runs out super quickly. And because it's so small, it's really easy to travel with, easy to move around with. You can throw this in a little toiletry bag or something like that and take it just about anywhere, and you'll be totally fine. The bottle has this kind of nice gold look to it. As you can see, the top's gold. Also, the formula inside is gold. So that's kind of, I guess, just the thing they went for, that kind of fancy Moroccan gold sort of look. It almost even looks like it'd be too fancy for me, but yeah, it's got I guess a really slim kind of cool profile to the bottle. It's made out of your typical plastic. You got your typical spray nozzle here on the top. Very, very simple. Nothing too crazy for the actual design of the thing. What's best about this thing is when you actually use it, obviously. So I basically use this when I get out of the shower. I never use it on dry hair. I don't think you're supposed to use it on dry hair. That's what it says on the directions on the bottle. Yeah, I use it right when I get out of the shower. My hair is feeling, a bit damp, so I'll spray it on 3 times, maybe give it 3 good spritzes all around, and then just comb it out or something like that. And basically what it does is, it adds a little bit of shine, gives it a little bit of a freshness, and gets all the knots, tangles, and weird things out. Kind of just helps with all that. Many people are surprised actually when they see my hair especially after I use this, because it looks really nice for a guy's hair, and I don't really do anything else with it. I don't blow dry it, I don't straighten it, I don't color it, I don't do any, really anything beyond, using this and maybe some coconut oil kind of stuff once in a while. But yeah, other than that, it's just very, very simple, and it really, really makes it look good. This is especially just such a good thing for the hair healing process. If your hair is dry, or if you're doing lots of things that dry out your hair. So you can imagine if you are blow drying your hair quite a bit, or you are living in maybe a hot place, or you're constantly, I have a lot of friends that are swimmers who are constantly in chlorinated pools. This could be such a good, could be put to such good use. The great thing is when you put it on, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't make your hair feel gross or greasy or nasty. Because some of these kinds of sprays, you definitely feel that grittiness after you use it. I don't get that with this at all. Very lightweight, and it has a really nice smell to it as well. The scent's almost, I would say, maybe a bit lemony. It's got a slight hint of citrus, but the cool thing is it's not an overpowering scent either. And it's really gone within a few minutes. Be able to tell that you used it, unless someone got right up on your hair. Yeah, other than that, I would highly recommend it if you're looking for good argan oil, looking for a good way to heal and bring some freshness and shine to your hair. This stuff is really, really great. Again, it's the Organics OGX Moroccan Argan Oil, and yeah, keep that hair looking fresh. Alright guys, take it easy.